Hi, welcome to Creating with Crossley. And today we're going to do a lesson over the color wheel. We're going to take a little different turn on it because it's not going to actually be in a wheel form, but it's the same concept because it's teaching the order of colors. So we are going to create this beehive. It is in the order of the color wheel, which is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. As always, our primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. And there are primary colors because they cannot be made. So when you mix two primary colors, you create a secondary color. The secondary color is always located in between your primary colors that you mix together. So for example, if you mix red and yellow, you're going to make orange. If you mix yellow and blue, you're going to make green. And if you mix blue, if this was a real wheel, it'd be red, and it makes purple. So the supplies you're going to need are, you're going to need crayons, an eraser, pencil, and some type of paper. All right, so we're going to start with our paper, and we're going to draw a horizontal line that goes across. It's about 1 inch from the top. You're going to draw all the way across, and then you're just going to kind of go towards the corner on the end, like this. Then you're going to draw another horizontal line, and it's going to go like right below it, and then this one is going to come V down like this. So this looks like it could be a V. And then we are going to draw a V in the middle like this. This is going to become our tree branch. And from here, you're just going to kind of go out like this, and then you're going to connect this side all the way to the end too. Notice how they get wider on this side as well. And we're going to put a little V on the inside of each one of these. This is going to be our tree branch that our beehive hangs from. And we're going to erase just a little bitty space, and we're going to bring it down like this. This is going to be what our beehive is hanging on. So we're going to draw another horizontal line. And you want it to be about even on both sides. And then you're going to do a curved line down and another curved line down. Make sure this isn't too skinny because you're going to have to color on the inside. And you're going to connect the two. Then you're going to come out a little bit further, just a little bit. And then you're going to draw another curved line and another curved line. And again, you're going to connect the two. And you're going to repeat this until you have enough sections. So we need a total of 6 sections. So here's 2. And I go 3, 4, 5, and 1 more, 6. So here's my beehive. Now, if you drew your beehive and it's really tiny, you might want to redraw it to it's a little bit bigger. This one fills up most of my page. Now, because it's a beehive, of course, we need some bees. So we're going to draw some like maybe flying away. So here's my head. It's just a little circle. And this is going to have 2 lines that curve down, and they're going to come into a point because that's this little stinger. And then we're going to add some wings. Wings are just almost like an M that's curved. And it needs some stripes because it's a bee, and some little antennas and some little eyeballs. Then maybe down here I'm going to draw another bee. This is going to be sideways, a head, curved line to a pointer, a wing, and because it's a sideways bee, the other wing is behind it like this. And then little legs, and some antennas, and an eyeball, and it's a happy bee, and then some stripes. And maybe I have one more bee and it's coming out of the beehive. Some stripes again, some eyeballs, and some antennas. And it's also happy, and then it has its, what would be its wings. Be like this. So we'll just erase this part on top of the beehive. Its little wings. Okay. Now from here, I'm a fan of outlining everything in black marker. So if you have a black marker, you can outline yours. If you don't have a black marker, you don't have to outline yours. So I went ahead and drew one earlier. So this one is outlined in black marker. And what you're going to do next is you're going to get your crayons. Now if you don't have crayons and you only have colored pencils, that's fine also. And then you're going to need to find all of your primary colors and secondary colors. So you need to find a red, an orange, a yellow, a green, a blue, and a purple. All right, so now that I have my colors, I'm gonna start at the very top. And remember, whenever you color, you wanna do an inside outline. So that just means you're gonna go around your shape first. This keeps it so that way you color inside the lines. And then with the same pressure, you don't wanna change the pressure because you don't want to see this outline. You're gonna color your red in. And you always wanna color the same way. So I'm gonna go up and down because it's the shortest distance. So there's my red. I'm gonna switch over to my orange. I'm gonna do the same thing, do my inside outline. And then from here, I'm going to, again, color vertical because it's the shortest distance. Remember, vertical is up and down. And then we're gonna go to yellow. Now remember, anytime in the video I go too fast, please just pause, rewind. You can always catch up. Now I couldn't find my regular yellow, so this is actually a dandelion yellow, but it's the same thing. Yellow. Then we're gonna move over to a green. You're gonna do your inside outline again. And I'm going to go quickly through the last two colors, but this one's blue and the last one will be violet. All right, now that my color wheel is done, I'm going to go ahead and do my tree and my bees. So again, you always want to do your inside outline and color this in. Now, if you want to color your sky, still you just need to make sure that you're going all the same direction. If you have broken crowns, you could always use, the side of the crown. It creates kind of a cool texture. On my original one, I painted my background with some watercolor. You can leave it completely white. Any of those things are totally up to you. So just make sure that you're always having fun and that you enjoy yourself and that you're exploring your creativity. You could add so many things to this. You could add leaves to your tree. You could add a sky with clouds. You could add a sun. You could add other bugs flying around, whatever you want. Okay? And don't forget that when you color a bee, they go yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow, black, always in a pattern. And their faces are black, but you just don't push really hard. Black. And I like to leave their wings like they're clear. Anyways, I hope you had fun, because I sure did. And I hope you join me for another lesson sometime soon.